Hello, this is Mona, and this is plant therapy. So, unfortunately, the audio for this video was not right, so here I am doing a voiceover. I'm unpacking a package I received from a new plant friend. Her name's on the screen. You can also find her on Tic Toc as well. Her name is Jackie, and I've been watching some of her videos, and we've gotten acquainted, and she wanted to do a plant swap, so here we are. And I will be sharing her video with you as well, or she'll be sharing it with you to show what I sent her. So luckily this part, I am doing the voiceover because it was awfully noisy. My mic, I'm having mic issues, so I'm gonna be in the market for a different mic, so my videos are smoother, less issues with the audio. She's located in New Jersey, and I live in Maryland, so she got my package the next day. I was surprised, but she did. And I had to wait on this one over the weekend. I expected it on Monday, but they didn't notify me that it was delivered until Tuesday, and she had gotten notification that it was delivered Monday, but it was too late for me to run over there. Now, luckily, the cuttings did just fine. You'll see in a moment how well she packaged the cuttings, and you know, they did good considering the weather wasn't super cold, but you know, anytime you ship plants, you're always concerned about them getting stuck on a cold truck or something, or in a warehouse. But yeah, they were fine. Here I'm reading the card she included, very sweet. And in the card, she was concerned about how they were going to be when they arrived. So let's unbox this and we can see together. Although I already saw. Okay, so I like that package she put that in. I think it helped to insulate a little bit there. Now, I've never done a plant swap with anybody before, but I kind of like it. It was fun. We try to figure out, she had watched enough of my videos to know what she didn't have, and I had watched enough of hers to know what she had, and so we just kind of figured out how many cuttings we would share. Originally we were talking about 4, but I think we ended up giving each other an extra. So you see how she packed this? This was smart. In these little plastic containers with moss, sphagnum moss. Here I'm trying to take in what I'm looking at there, where to pull from, and you don't want to damage anything. There we go. And here you see the first one, which was Lacanosa. The name will be on the screen in a minute. A nice generous cutting, plenty of nodes and leaves. Lacanosa Royal Flush. If you go on her website, on her channel, you'll find that she has videos of her collection, and she's selling. I don't think I shared that yet. She is selling plants on Facebook Marketplace, so you can find her on there. And as you know, that's something I want to do down the line. Here is a Rosita. I have Rosita cuttings that I'm going to put all together to get one bushy plant, but she had such a pretty one with the sun stressing on the leaves, and so I asked her for that. And You should see how beautiful the mother plant is. Gorgeous. Here is an Easter cactus. I never had the Easter cactus, and I have no idea what the blooms, what color they'll be, but I pulled them apart and I have them sitting on a table. They're callousing over, hopefully. And then I can plant them later on today when I get home. This is something I've been on a mission to get. A Thai pink lipstick plant. I saw one. I don't even know whose channel it was on. One of you guys. I don't know who it was, but nice cutting. Do you see the size of those leaves? And here is a peperomia beetle. Now you see me turning around, trying to look at the shittia I have. I don't know what the name of the particular one. It has very similar appearance, but this is peperomia beetle. And that, I tell you, you got to look at her videos and you can see the mother plants. Very nice. So those containers I will definitely reuse. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. Jackie's great. She's in New Jersey. And this whole thing gave me an idea. I'm coming up on my year, almost a year since I really started posting. And I think what I'm gonna do, once I hit that 1,000 subscribers, I decided monthly I'm gonna pick one of you guys to receive something from my collection. So what I need you to do is look at my channel description. You'll find my email address there. Shoot me your email address if you want to be included. And like I said, once a month I'll be doing that. So keep that in mind and check out Latina Plants. Like I said, she's on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and reach out to her. You know, we're such a nice family of plant people. Want to share the love, introduce yourself to her, and check out her collection, check out what she's selling on Facebook, and I can't wait to see her video. We'll be posting it at the same time, so look out for that.